First of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Speaker, sir, for giving me this opportunity to take part on this budget discussion. And also, I would like to sincerely thank the Honorable Chief Minister for presenting such an exhaustive, dynamic budget for the year 2026 and 2027. It brings great joy to know through this budget that the progress of our growth rate is steady and meaningful, and also to stand the second fastest growing state in a country as diversified as India, and to be the only state to sustain a real GSDP growth rate of nearly 10% for 3 consecutive years in the post-COVID period is something worth being proud of as a people representative. Lots of appreciation to the government. That being said, sir, representing a constituency where people struggle to thrive in their particular interests in life, it brings a lot of confidence to me as a representative to be a part of such a dynamic government. Therefore, I would like to highlight a few approaches in the past as a reminder, which may be considered in this budget, and few more requests, which again shall be considered in this budget, like the construction of a full-fledged stadium at Mangtyngka in Bhorembong village, keeping it in mind the event of the national game approaching us quick, the upgradation of the Umroi sub-center to a PHC at Umroi village, which has been requested by me in the year 2024. Till date, no update is given to us about the sanction. So I request the Honorable Chief Minister to look into this matter aggressively and instruct the concerned authorities of the Health Department to look into this matter and do the needful at the earliest, as this matter is directly related to the health and welfare of the people in Umroi area. I would also like to put on record the need for a mini stadium at Kerdem village in the upcoming months. Umroi constituency is also a home to one of the best viewpoints in Meghalaya, which is located in Mangtyngka village. Many side lookers, local and tourists visit this phenomenal site to enjoy the view. But sadly, we don't have proper facilities to provide them through the local villages there. I will be submitting proposals that were made mutually with the village committee in regards of infrastructure like roads, shops and restaurants, etc., to be operated by the local village people for the development and facilitate all tourists of this spot. Sir, jumping to a new digital world and with the limited employee in the state, it's great to see young boys and girls taking interest in filmmaking and content creating in social media. This not only serve their dream and interest, but also act as a source of income for them. And I felt privileged to be able to be a part of the digital journey by providing them professional equipment at by level caliber in the past, which to some might not be enough. Therefore, under the Chief Minister Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program and the Yes Meghalaya program, I would like to request the government to specially look into this filmmaking and content creators of Umroi constituency and avail flexible help to them so they could be at their best. These are the few very important requests for the constituency, and I hope they will all be looked at and considered at the earliest. So before I take my seat, I would like to highlight and appreciate the government for the sanction of road connectivity with the constituency and major roads that connect village of Umroi constituency to the other district, like the VIP road being redeveloped right now, the road from Mokhanu that connects Shillong bypass to Shillong city, and many more. Being a representative of Umroi constituency where the Shillong airport is situated, I take this opportunity to thank the government for its tireless effort to pressure the airport authorities, and because of this airport expansion and other development are taking place, this will bring more flexible to the people traveling via this airport. I also thank the government for the sanction available for the artificial turf football ground at Nongsdar village. This has been a long pending matter for many years in the past. I feel proud to be able to develop it to the village and especially for the football-loving youths. Looking forward to many artificial turf as requested to the sports department by me in other villages of Umroi constituency. There are many more micro developments happening in the constituency through the dynamic working system and great leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister and his councils of ministers. Thank you, sir. And before I resume my seat, I would once again like to thank the government for such a hopeful budget and looking forward to launching many more development infrastructure, helping mechanism youths and women body, better facilities for tourists and many more in Umroi constituency. With these few submissions, I once again thank the Honorable Chief Minister for presenting such an exhaustive budget, and I also thank you, Mr. Chairman, sir, for giving me